In this page, I'm going to show you how to use our 100% free Htaccess Redirect Code Generator. You can create 301 permanent or 302 temporary Htaccess Redirect Code using this free tool. This is the free tool here. The web address to it is showing on your screen now. And in case you didn't know what an Htaccess redirect is, it's a method of redirecting a link. For instance, when somebody navigates to a link on your website and you want it to automatically go to a completely different URL, you could use Htaccess to do this. Htaccess is a file on the root of the web server which contains special directives and instructions for visitors who come to the site. There's a couple of reasons, two main reasons why people want to Htaccess redirect a URL. One is if, let's say, you wrote a blog post or an article, it's been out there, that web address has been shared on the internet multiple places, and for some reason you want to or need to change the actual URL to the page. You don't want to lose all that traffic that has been generated already. You don't want to lose the SEO benefits that Google and other search engines are giving you. So the Htaccess redirect is the perfect solution for this. You won't lose any of your history with that URL, the original URL. And then the other main reason is affiliate marketers wanting to redirect an affiliate link and hide the fact that it's an affiliate link from both search engines and website visitors. To use this tool is really easy. All you do is you select whether you want a 301 Htaccess redirect or 302. 301 is a permanent. This is what you usually would use. The main reason you would use the 302 Htaccess redirect is if you expect the redirection to be for a short period of time or temporary. This usually would happen if you're working on a web page, you're transferring visitors to a different URL temporarily until you're finished with the updating of the web page. But in most cases, 301 is the one you want. This top text box, what you would put in here is the URL of the link that is going to be redirected from. So let's say, for example, we want to redirect from this page to, say, an affiliate link with Spokeo search engine. You put where you want the redirection to go to. In other words, when people navigate to this web address, or if they click on a link that has this web address, it's going to redirect them to this web address here. Then you click this button here to create the Htaccess redirect. The code in the proper syntax, format, and spacing is output in this text box here. Simply select it with the mouse. The whole thing is selected. You copy it to clipboard. Then you open your Htaccess file. And on a separate line, all by itself, you paste the code. Make sure there's nothing in front of it like spaces or after it like spaces. Save the Htaccess file, close it out, and re-upload it to your web server, and it will start working immediately.